What if everything you see, touch, and experience isn't real? What if it's all just part of a vast, complex computer simulation? This isn't just a plot from a sci-fi movie. It's a serious philosophical and scientific idea called the simulation hypothesis. Imagine a reality constructed from pure code, where our entire universe is nothing more than an incredibly advanced program. The laws of physics, just lines of code. Your memories, your feelings, your very consciousness, all part of the simulation. It's a mind-bending concept, but as we'll see, there are some surprisingly compelling reasons to consider it. Are we living in a digital dream? Let's dive in and explore the possibility that our world is an illusion. The modern idea of the simulation hypothesis was famously put forward by philosopher Nick Bostrom. He argued that if a civilization becomes advanced enough to create ancestor simulations, highly detailed simulations of their past, they would likely run countless of them. Think of it like a super advanced version of the video games we play today. If they can simulate consciousness, then statistically, it's far more likely that we are one of the countless simulated beings rather than the original, base reality civilization. Bostrom presents this as a trilemma. Either advanced civilizations go extinct before reaching this stage. They lose interest in running simulations, or we are almost certainly living in one. Given the rapid advancement of our own technology, that last option starts to sound alarmingly plausible. So, is there any actual evidence for this wild idea? Surprisingly, some observations in physics and mathematics could be interpreted as clues. In the world of quantum mechanics, particles seem to behave differently when observed, almost as if the simulation is only rendering details when a conscious observer looks like a video game that only loads the part of the map you recurrently in to save processing power. Furthermore, scientists have discovered that the universe appears to be fundamentally mathematical. The laws of nature can be described by elegant equations, and constants like the speed of light set hard limits on reality, much like a computer's processing speed limits a simulation. It's almost as if we've found the source code of the universe. Of course, not everyone is convinced. The simulation hypothesis faces strong counterarguments. Many scientists argue that there's no way to test the theory, making it unfalsifiable and therefore unscientific. It's a fascinating thought experiment, but without concrete testable evidence, it remains pure speculation. Philosophically, others argue that even if we are in a simulation, it doesn't really change anything. This is our reality, the only one we know. The experiences, emotions, and relationships are real to us, and that's what matters. Critics also point out that the argument relies on assumptions about what a super-advanced civilization would want or do, which is something we can't possibly know. They might have motivations completely alien to us, or maybe simulating reality is just not that interesting to them. But let's entertain the idea for a moment. What if it's true? The implications would be staggering. Would our lives have any meaning? If our reality is a program, does that mean there's a programmer, a godlike figure? It could reshape our understanding of morality. Are our choices truly our own, or are they predetermined by the simulation's parameters? On the other hand, it could be liberating. If this is all a game, maybe we shouldn't take our failures so seriously. It might even suggest that there's something beyond our current existence. Perhaps we respawn after we die, or maybe we can even find a way to break out of the simulation itself. The very fabric of our purpose and existence would be called into question. This leads to some fun thought experiments. If we are in a simulation, could we hack it? Could we find cheat codes to bend the laws of physics, like Neo in the Matrix? Maybe glitches, like déjà vu or unexplained phenomena, are just bugs in the code. And the ultimate question, can we ever know for sure? Some theorists suggest that if we create our own conscious simulations, it would be strong evidence that we, too, are likely simulated. We'd be like a character in a video game learning to program their own video game. But perhaps the creators of our simulation have put limits in place to prevent us from ever discovering the truth. We might be trapped in a digital cage, forever unable to see the bars. So, could this all be real? Are we living inside an elaborate cosmic computer, or is reality exactly what it seems? The truth is, we may never know. But questioning the nature of our existence is what drives science and philosophy forward. What are your thoughts? Is the simulation hypothesis a compelling theory or just science fiction? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy exploring mind-blowing ideas like this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.